Greetings, this is Jim Phillips with Remember Veteran Grave Markers. Let's talk historic veteran headstones, shall we? Recently, I was at the Great Lakes National Cemetery in Holly, Michigan, to visit my brother, mother, and father who are buried there. It was a very somber sight. But in talking to one of the administrators there, he had told me about a particular headstone that was there at the cemetery. The cemetery, the headstone's name was Peter Armstead. Peter Armstead. Take a look at the headstone, because that is going to be what I'm talking about, at least the style. Now, that style of headstone really started in 1861 and really continued for men who served up to 1903. At the end of the Spanish-American War, they changed. But before then, the shield and the raised letters were part and parcel of what the historic stones look like. So now these days, we use regular flat stones. We don't use the bas relief type that you see with Peter Armstead's. And I think that that's important to know, is that I've seen some derivatives of a historic stone, and it's kind of disturbing because this is such a beautiful and distinctive stone. I would ask myself, why would anybody want something different? Now, this was manufactured rather recent, but earlier stones of 100, 150 years ago still have some good look to them, and I'll show a few of those as we go along. But first thing is first, is that government furnished headstones are either going to be granite or they're going to be marble. Historic stones like this one will have a shield. That's important because the recessed shield with the lifted out letters, the technique is called bas relief, is what makes these things extremely distinctive and historic and really just beautiful artwork. I think it's important to recognize that if you are looking at a stone that needs to be replaced and it fits in the category of a historic stone, and it's not time, it's period that makes it historic, then you need to contact and work with the VA to get the proper stone. Anything less than a proper stone, I think, really does a disservice to the veteran whom you are trying to recognize. No matter how gracious you think you are, don't shortchange the veteran by taking a different way out. This stone is the gold standard of stones. And I would suggest that you consider that as you do change out veteran headstones due to either poor condition, illegibility of the lettering, or it's broken. Condition is not necessarily an issue as much as you can't read it, and it's broken. And the VA makes it quite clear about what that means and what that perhaps looks like. So take a look at that and use the VA as a great resource to help you better get new stones for the cemeteries that you serve at. This way, you're going to see something beautiful and remember something awesome and enjoy a job well done. I know that when I'm cleaning a veteran marker, and you'll see that in a second, that it is just absolutely breathtaking to see the transformation from a dirty stone to one that is clean and almost out of the package. Take a look at those. I have a couple. This is Jim Phillips with the Remember Veteran Grave Markers. Please like, subscribe, share, and comment. All those things are extremely important as we get the word out about what we do. Your input is important in these videos, but more importantly, do something. Get out there and use the techniques that we describe in the videos that I provide and enjoy your time. Spend time with the people that you love, learn about people you don't know, and respect the service that they have given by respecting it through service yourself. Take care. This is Jim Phillips. God bless. Until next time. I'll see you later. Remember to like, subscribe, and share the video. That would be very helpful. Bye. And thank you, friends of RVGM. Your donations make this work possible.